All right, so we have a 21 Street Glide back into the shop. This is not a new bike. This is, if you remember in a previous video, we did the 2-speaker fairing package. Well, he came on back so we could add a set of Advon black lowers with a set of 6.5s. All right, so like I said, brought his beautiful 21 Street Glide black in. Here's the vivid black. And we added those 6.5-inch Advon black hard lowers with a set of Hertz SV165. So let's flip you around, show you it, let you listen to it, let these guys get back on the road. So again, this is our now a 4-speaker package. We've got the amp with the DSP, T-harness, everything in the fairing, utilizing the OEM head unit. And we've got those nice paint matched Advon black lowers. We really like the fit and finish of these. They came out really nice, and they still allow you to use aftermarket highway pegs. And we added the paint matched 6.5-inch speaker pods. One thing we did do because of the basket back here is we 3D print this spacer back here. And the thing about this spacer is that it's not the same circumference at the bottom and the top. So this is a beveled spacer. That allows us to get this speaker sitting flush, gives us a little bit more clearance for the basket and the magnet into this enclosure, gives us just a little bit more depth, about 14 millimeters. Got that nice billet cicada grill, lip over grill with that Hertz SV165. The reason we went with this system is because with the cicadas and the fairing, it gave us a really good high and a little bit of mid with all the vocals. We need something to help balance that out. So the addition of the mids and the lowers helped give it a nice full sound that we were looking for.
I told you he was your brother. You'd reminisce, then you would go about your day. If I said you ought to give him some of your water, you'd shake your canteen and walk away. The perception that divides you from him is a lie. For some reason you never ask why. Get in his pocket and shake it all around.
All right, so we got Mr. Steve's Street Glide all done. Are you happy with your system?
Very happy with it.
All right, did it help fill in that gap we were talking about where it's just all mid and high, no low end?
Yep, yes it did.
Awesome, perfect. And it's a little bit of a struggle too. A lot of the guys that like the rock and the classic stuff, it's really hard to help kind of bring that back in, but I feel like we did a good job with this one. So as always, we appreciate our customers that make the trip down, especially from Georgia. So these guys are gonna get back on the road and enjoy the nice weather home.